Can you believe I created all of these using just AI? Yes, every single one of these designs, product visuals, and branded scenes. No professional studio, no expensive gear, just the power of AI and a clear creative direction. I took simple ideas and transformed them into stunning, scroll-stopping concepts. And the best part, you can do it too. I'm going to walk you through how I did it, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start creating your own pro-level content without needing a whole design team. Now, let's go to ChatGPT. Alright, so these are some of the products I downloaded from. I downloaded most of these products from Mira and Pinterest. So let's go over here. Okay, let's select download. So these are some of the products I got. Alright, so I'm going to try them out one after the other, but we won't try. Okay, sure. This is the first one I want to try out. So I'll upload it. I believe by now it's alright. So this is it. So this is what I'm gonna type. So the first thing to do is to know about any products that you want to use. You have to make a research about it and what your ideal customer really wants in order to outsmart your competitors. So this is the result it gave me. Okay, so this is the product overview: seamless construction, ergonomic pouch, breathable mesh fender, and thereabout. So that is it. Now we've gotten a clue about the products that we are working with. Okay, so the next thing now is to turn this particular product. I'll tell ChatGPT that I want an AI to wear it. I want someone to wear it in order to make it better, and it should use best marketing headline. All right, so let's see now this is what I said. I want a female handsome dark-skinned young man to wear it, and it should have a catchy and captivating headline in order to outsmart my competitors. All right, so I want some. Okay, so let's see how it goes in 4.5. A 16:9 aspect ratio, since you're working with this. Okay, so it will give you a prompt. All right, so it will adjust the prompt for you. So this is it. A handsome dark-skinned young man with tuned athletic build, stand confidently, blah 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 blah. If you want this prompt, don't worry, I'll drop it in my Telegram channel. You'll access it. Then now they're asking, adjust this for a gym or lifestyle setting, provide additional headline option, generate 3 visual variation for A and B testing. So these are what they're asking. Adjust this for a gym or lifestyle setting. So I'll add lifestyle. Alright, so this is the headline they gave me: live bold, feel everything. So after this, so the subtext is the lifestyle underwear for men who move with purpose. So let's generate. So this is it. Let's see the results. It is generating. Alright, so this is what they gave me. Live bold, feel everything. The lifestyle underwear for men who move with purpose. Alright, so if you are into any of these businesses that you just sample your products just like that, I would advise you to pay attention to this in order to market your competitors. This time around, people are curious and they want to know, they want to see the body fit of most of the product. They don't want you to just sample it like that. When you sample it like that, it won't give the result of what they want. They want something that someone is wearing, whether it's AI generated or not. They don't care, but they don't want an ordinary sampled boxers. Or can you see how it is now? As it is now, you might not actually know how it will look, whether fitted or not. But now, as you can see, As you can see, this young man is wearing this outfit. Okay, don't this look beautiful? So I'm going to try out another thing. So I'll upload another outfit. Yeah, so this is the outfit, but I'm going to change it. The tone of base is okay. All right. So I would prepare ChatGPT to do this for. So this is what I said. Okay. When you type in your prompts, you press it. All right. So this is the caption: wear grace, walk confident. All right. So this is it. I said a handsome, dark-skinned young man with a fresh haircut and confident expression poses stylishly in the city, setting a minimalistic studio. He wears blah 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 blah. Don't worry, if you need the prompt, you will get it. So I'll tell ChatGPT to generate in 16:9 aspect ratio. Okay. So this is how you turn your mere products to an AI representative that will wear it, and it will look so beautiful and of high quality, and definitely you outmarket your competitors. Now I think this looks much better. Alright, so this AI is putting on this outfit. The AI is putting on this outfit though. Okay, it's not that bad. Okay, so you can choose alright, so from here to this, and the test is still the same thing, and every other thing they are the same. Okay, so can we try not other ones? So this is the second one, that's the third one that's recruiting to. Alright, so this is the young lady I'm using to test this outfit. Okay, so I said I should show the front view. Remember, you can use any outfit of your choice. So I said you should display the front view, the side view, and the back view. So can you see that? So if you have a product that you want to sample, so this is the best way to do that. It won't cost you any dime. All you need to do is to do this, okay, to show you every feature of it, which brings out the beauty of that particular product. Okay, so you can try out anyone you want to try out. Okay, so now let's check these products. Okay, let's try out these glasses. Now, before we go any further, if you're already getting value from this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe. That little click is how you stay updated every time I drop a new tutorial or AI strategy. I'm here to make sure you grow, brand better, and stand out. And if you stick with me, you'll never run out of content ideas or creative tools again. It hurts. So we are trying this outfit. We want this particular AI to wear this outfit for us. Okay, remember, this your product should be a 4.5. Okay, it should be a 4.5. In as much as we are using this is a 9 aspect ratio because is YouTube. We are using YouTube, so okay, all I have to say is this. I want, so I'll drop the prompt. Now they're asking if I want her to be applying the cleanser, the cream, or I should use before and after split screen or product flash lay next to her. Generate image. So I want her to be holding the image, and there are some of the features I described for ChatGPT to give me. So let's see the results. Now this is what ChatGPT gave me. All right. This is what ChatGPT gave me. As you can see, her skin is glowing. As you can see, her skin is glowing. And this is the sphere. All right. So if most of the things, I think the main prompt is being seen, then if most of them are not seen, you could also write a type. The ChatGPT should give you the exact prompt in the image. Okay, so as you can see, this is beautiful. All right, you can use any of your choice to sample or display any of your products to make you outmarket your competitors than just posting your products lying on the floor or being displayed on hanger. This is much better, don't you think so? This is much better. Now here is another product. I want a beautiful family holding these products like an adverts. They are laughing. So this is what I said, they are laughing. Then if you want any other prompt, you can add it first. This is the first result that I want. Okay. Remember, if you want a realistic image, you could use it. If you want a pizza, you could use it. Any image that you desire to use for your advert, you can use any of them, remember? So if you need a pizza, you have to type in that you need a pizza, okay? A pizza image of this. If you need a realistic, you could use it. If you want a photorealistic. So this is what I want. I told ChatGPT, I described what I really want, all right? So after describing what you want, don't worry, if you need any of them, I'll drop it in my Telegram channel. You can access them, regenerate in any of the aspect ratio you want, or before the commencement of your prompts, you can still add it so that it won't give you another thing. But if you are not, you want to use a better aspect ratio for your adverts, pictures, or thereabouts, you have to use 4.5. Okay, then, all right, so that means you don't use 16:9 aspect ratio. Remember, use 4.5. Okay, don't use this particular aspect ratio. This is for YouTube long video. All right, so this is what I told ChatGPT to give me. All right, so this is what it gave me. As you can see, it looks so beautiful. It looks beautiful. So let's try out some of them. Let's try some of them. This is beautiful. Then you download. So let's try more outfit and see the results of what is going to give us. So let's try out Milo. Let's try out Milo. Okay. I will type in the prompt I want. Now let's generate. Now let's check the results of the Milo. So this is the Milo. Alright. After this, you save your work. I uploaded another image of NIVEA. So this is the prompt I used, and let's check the result out. Now here is the result. As you can see, look at her skin. Her skin is so beautiful, and her skin is so beautiful, and I love the quality. And this is the NIVEA sitting on top of a towel. Okay, so can you see her? Can you see how her skin is glowing? Okay. So this is the another one I tried out. I uploaded this image I saw in Premiere. Now, this was the result it gave me. This was the result. As you can see, this is the stickers. Okay. Then I tried on that thing. The result. We then download. Can you see how it is? Okay. So you can turn a product, any of your products, to masterpiece. Instead of uploading your product just like that in a casual way, why don't you turn it into something much better? Okay, turn your product into something that is much better, so that when your competitors come, they will see that you have a lot to offer. All right, so this is how you achieve all the results. You don't need to break your bank in order to achieve this. All right, so this is another product I snapped, and I'll tell ChatGPT. Let's see the results. I uploaded this. This is the biscuits, the Oxford sweetened cabin biscuit that I uploaded, and I told ChatGPT to turn this to a masterpiece. Add image with a man and a woman taking a bite and smiling, and it should be on a 3D pizza. If you want a realistic, remember what I told you. If you want a realistic image, simply type it. If you want a pizza, simply type it. If you want a realistic, simply type it. If you want a pizza, type it. Any image style you want. If you want a Ghibli, if you want a 2D, whatever image style you want, just type it. ChatGPT is here to guide you. All right. So let's wait and see the result. Now here is the results. Here is the results. Like I said, they should take a bite and they should display the image. So the first one didn't capture their logo, and the second one did. So it's still fine. All right. So that is it. It's very simple. You can achieve the same thing. Try one more product. Let's try one more product. These are the products I downloaded. Okay. So the one I screenshotted. So these are some of the products. Which one do we try out? Okay, let's try out this particular one. Let's try this particular one. Now here is it. Then I'll tell ChatGPT to pick one of the products. I would like to use the pink one. All right. So let's generate. Our image is generating. So let's wait for some minutes. What you've just seen is not magic. It's strategy and creativity powered by AI. And with the right mindset, the right tools, and a guide like this, you can do it too. Whether you are building a brand, launching a product, or just love creating, everything I showed you today is completely doable on your own. So go ahead, experiment, take bold steps, and remember to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a tutorial. Let's create greatness, one concept at a time. See you in the next one. Bye.